disrobe now.
Yeah.
Disrobe.
Yay!
Beautiful! I'm just gonna get a close up of that for the YouTube.
Almost.
Did you cut it?
Something.
Whoa!
Well, I thought she cut them all, but I'll cut it just in. Oh.
I think I see something
Let me see.
mystical in that.
You do? Looks like a fake. Okay, you ready?
Sell it on eBay for millions of
See a
dollars.
cool abstract.
Do any of you ladies need
What does this look like?
Chocolate?
A bird.
A bird. I leaned over the pot, and I had it on my belly. But that's what it turned out like. It looks like a damn bird. Yeah. Isn't that weird? So it's like, you got a bird on your chest. I'm like,
Have fun, Evelyn.
I do not have fun at all.
yeah.
Look, and here's the lava part, molten coming out of it.
Actually, if I was into photography, I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning and could not fall back to sleep. So I was like, well, let's go for a walk.
anybody?